Today is an exciting one, boys, because today we are finally going to be bringing back the Nissan Skyline GTR back to life. This car has been through some shit, let me tell you guys. Recently, I pulled the motor out, I gave the motor a little refresh, and then I threw the motor back in, and I started making a video of throwing the motor back in and getting it to start up for the first time, but we ran into so many issues. I literally just completely gave up on the car. Like, I literally just parked the car outside into the street. I didn't even touch the car for a few days after that. I left it unlocked, to be honest. I was kind of hoping somebody just steals it, because this was a huge pain in the ass. I do have some clips of us trying to start it up. And then finally, once we got it started, we had a fueling issue, but then we fixed that fueling issue, and then we had a massive, and when I say massive, it was literally pissing out. We had a massive coolant leak and a massive oil leak. All of last week, I grinded out. I fixed the coolant leak entirely. There's still, however, a very small oil leak, which I'm still trying to figure out. I really don't know what it is. It is a pretty small oil leak though, so I'm not really too concerned about it. I can still drive on it and I can just fill in oil whenever I need to. But now we can finally just go ahead and let the car turn on and let it idle. But there is one last thing that we have to do before we make it drivable. I'm just gonna show you guys rather than tell you. So take a look at this wheel. Look at how far right this wheel is turned. And then we come over to this side and yeah. So for those of you who can't really tell, the alignment is just a little bit bad. It's actually like really bad. I was going 10 miles an hour just to test drive the car, and I was like trying to hold the wheel straight, and all of a sudden the other tire gripped up and it just yanked me this way, and it was terrible. Like I can't even go in second gear with this alignment. But she does indeed finally start up, and we can let this car finally idle. Today, boys, we are finally bringing this car back to life. I have a stack of parts that still have to go on. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek on some of the parts that we have for this car. Check that out, boys. Check it out. All right, that's it. Let's go. She's idling pretty good, boys. PSA, get in alignment. While I'm finishing up over here, my little brother is already going ahead and starting on taking off his trunk. We got a new carbon fiber trunk for this thing. This side's wheel it's pretty straight. This one's pointing a little bit out and that one's still straight. Now, just to be clear, I would never recommend doing an alignment just like an eye alignment and then actually going with that. That's definitely not the safest way to go. This is just so we can see if the car is actually running okay. Yo, this thing looks so sick, and this isn't even the end product. He got a carbon fiber little duckbill thingy. I don't know what you'd call it. It also kind of serves a dual purpose because there's like a little crack there. It just covers it all up. That is hot, dude. So now the turbo is leaking a little bit of oil. I really hope that it's just a simple fix, but this oil leak is not stopping me from driving the car. So we took the hood off of the car. If the car catches on fire, I'm gonna pull over. I have a fire extinguisher that I'm just gonna shh. Hopefully this car doesn't catch on fire. And let's go for a little rip, just a little mini rip. Please start. Woo, we got some power. Can you guys even see that through the camera? I'm looking through the camera screen and I can't see anything, but like in real life, I can see so much smoke. She's out of the garage, baby. My turbo is just smoking up right now. Car could just burst into flames at any second, and I'm over here just excited that it's out of the garage and it's running under its own power. Can you just come with me real quick and record the car? Sure. All right, bet. I'll finish it, don't worry. I need you to get out of the car and just record me like going by, because I'm like souped on how like this thing sounds. It's definitely not the safe thing to do, but it is the fun thing. She's smoking a lot. Let's just go home and put her away. Yeah, I was about to say, bro. It's bad. It's leaning out on me a lot, which is kind of weird. But I mean, like, I don't know why it's leaning out on me, but it is leaning out on me. So that's one thing. Hopefully the car's not on fire by the time we get home. Last night, let me tell you, boys, I went through some shit. Turns out the issue we may have been having was the turbo was sitting kind of sideways, so it wasn't able to gravity drain. I opened up the turbo, made sure the turbo is okay. It seems okay. I put some AN lines. You guys can see that the turbo kind of sits more straight, so this should fix our oiling issue. The exhaust isn't smoking white/blue smoke anymore, which is really good. The car's up to temp, the oil pressure is good, the AFRs are looking much better today. Overall, the car is looking much healthier today. The car is officially legal and I'm pretty sure she's running fine, so let's go ahead, take her up for a little spin. Put your belt on, let's go. Come on, hurry up. Come on.
I'm so excited, oh my god.
Yo, we're actually going on the main road. Like I haven't done this since.
Oh my god.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Did you hear that?
I smell something though.
Yeah, I smell something too. Oh shit, no. Maybe I shouldn't have went that hard into it, but that was, did you hear that though? Did you hear that though?
I did.
That was crazy. Oh shit, it's smoking. Oh no. Oopsies. Oh, she's smoking. Ooh.
I hope we don't gotta push her home.
Yeah, there's no way we're pushing it home. Ooh, yeah, you can see the smoke. That's no good. No bueno. Turbo was leaking oil yesterday, so oil kind of went all over the exhaust and all inside the heat wrap. We're gonna push the car a little bit back in about 5 minutes or so and see if there's any oil on the ground. If there's no oil on the ground, that means we're not leaking any oil. It doesn't look like it's leaking from anywhere.
Oh no.
There's oil?
A huge pile.
You're lying.
Oh my god, you're gonna be so upset.
You're lying.
I'm not.
Please tell me you're lying.
No, there's a huge puddle.
I hate you. I was actually stressing.
Oh.
Is this oil?
Oh my god, wait.
I can't tell if that's oil.
That little spot.
Wait. I can't tell. Wait, is that actually oil? Yeah, that's oil. That is oil.
Who's happy that we got the car finally on the road?
Yo, me?
You?
It's been months and months of behind the scenes. Like, the boys don't even know. The boys probably, like, you guys,
no idea.
You guys probably think this car has just been like neglected for so long. Like, it was definitely abandoned for the past month, I would say. Other than the past month that it was abandoned, we put every single second I had to work on a car, I put into this car, and it's finally paying off now-ish. I know you hated this car along with me for a hot minute. How happy are you right now?
I'm excited for you.
Yo, she is officially back from the dead, boys. I'm so excited. Now that this car is finally running, I can finally drive it.
I'm so excited for you to finally sell it.
Maybe. I mean, like, the car has been up for sale. Like I said, this car was abandoned for like the past month or so. Like, I put it up for sale. I didn't want anything to do with it. I was just completely exhausted and tired, and I had no more effort to give into it. Like, keep in mind, we rebuilt the whole motor. I put a lot of work and money into this thing, and this thing was just giving me headache after headache. But for like the past week or so, I would say I gave in all my last effort I had for this car, and she is finally running again. So I'm super excited. Expect more Skyline videos coming really soon. We have a lot of things planned for this car. The Skyline is back, boys. I hope you guys enjoy it. We will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.